House plans. Hello. The house plans are ready.
Hello. That's great. Can I see them?
Yes, of course. Here is the plan.
It looks very nice. I like the design.
The house has 2 bedrooms, a kitchen, and a big living room.
Yes, I see. The living room is very big. I like it a lot.
The kitchen is medium size and it is next to the living room.
That's good. I like open space.
There is also a bathroom and a small toilet.
That's perfect.
Outside, there is a small garden.
I really like the garden. It is important for me.
There is also a garage for 1 car.
Great. I need that.
Do you want to change anything?
Yes. Maybe the kitchen can be a little bigger.
No problem. I can make the kitchen bigger.
Thank you.
Do you want more windows in the living room?
Yes. That's a good idea. I want more light.
Okay, I will add more windows.
Perfect.
I will send you the new plan tomorrow.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
See you soon.
Groundwork. This ground is quite hard.
Yes, but it's good for the foundation.
The lines are marked here.
Okay, we will follow them carefully.
We need to dig a bit deeper.
Yes, the plan shows 1 meter.
I will check the depth.
Good. We don't want mistakes here.
It is almost ready.
Nice. Then we can pour the concrete.
Do we have everything prepared?
Yes, the concrete will come soon.
Good timing.
Yes, we will finish this part today.
Make sure the sides are clean.
Okay, I will fix that.
After this, we will check everything again.
Yes, before we pour the concrete.
The weather helps today.
Yes, no rain is perfect.
All right, let's get ready.
Ready when you are.
Bricklaying. Hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. Ready to work?
Yes, let's start.
We use these bricks, right?
Yes, the plan says light red bricks.
Okay. They look nice.
Yes, they match the house design.
Pass me some bricks, please.
Here you go.
Thanks. This wall is going well.
Yes, it looks really good.
Check this line. Is it okay?
Yes, it looks straight.
Good.
We are at the window now. Right, we need space here.
Don't put bricks in this place.
Yes, I remember.
The window will be big.
That's good. More light inside.
Do we have more bricks?
Yes, they are next to the door.
Okay. I will get them later.
Good.
Do we have enough cement?
Yes, but not much.
Maybe we will need more tomorrow.
Yes, I can order it.
Thanks. That will help.
No problem.
This part is almost finished.
Yes, we are fast today.
After this, we will start the next wall.
Okay, sounds good.
We can finish this part today.
Yes, I think so too.
Great. Let's continue.
Let's go.
Roofing. Looks like we can finally start the roof. Yes, the structure is ready. Let's check this side first. Okay, I see everything is in place. We need to cover this part today. Yes, it's the biggest section. I'll start laying the tiles here. I'll bring more from below. Make sure they are the right ones. Yes, the plan says dark gray tiles. Good. They match the design. And they look modern. This angle is a bit difficult. Yes, we need to be careful here. Hold this for a second. Got it. Thanks. That helps a lot. No problem. We are making good progress. Yes, faster than yesterday. If we continue like this, we finish soon. I think so too. Let's focus on this part now. Okay, I'm ready.
Carpentry. Did you see the house plans?
Yes, I did. The kitchen is bigger now.
Yes, we need to make more cabinets.
That's true. We need good measurements.
Do we have the measurements?
Yes, they are in the plan.
Okay, we must be very careful.
Yes, everything must fit well.
The living room has big windows.
Yes, we must make strong window frames.
Good point. What about the doors?
We need 2 doors for bedrooms and 1 for the bathroom.
Simple design?
Yes, simple and modern.
Do we make the floor too?
Yes, wooden floor in the living room.
That will look nice.
Yes, and it is easy to clean.
Do we have enough materials?
I think so, but we need to check.
Okay, we can check today.
Good idea.
The client wants everything ready soon.
Then we need to work every day.
Yes, maybe also on Saturday.
That's fine for me.
Do we have all tools ready?
Yes, everything is ready.
Great. When do we start?
Tomorrow morning at 8.
Perfect. See you tomorrow.
See ya.
Conversation about work.
Hi. Hi, how was work today?
Pretty good. I'm working in the living room now.
Nice. I'm in the bathroom.
What are you doing there?
I'm installing the pipes for the shower.
Okay, I need to add some wires here.
Be careful. There are pipes in the wall.
Thanks for telling me. Where are they?
On the left side, near the window.
Good to know. I will work on the other side.
That's better.
Do you finish today?
Not all. Maybe tomorrow.
I understand. I also have a lot to do.
Yes, this house has many installations.
I will check the kitchen later.
I will work there too, with the sink.
Okay, we need to be careful there.
Yes, water and electricity are not good together.
Exactly. Let's stay in contact.
Good idea.
If I need help, I will call you.
Same here.
Good luck.
You too.
Interior painting. Hi, Tom.
Hi, Emma. Ready to paint?
Yes, let's start.
What room do we do first?
Let's start with the living room.
Good idea. It is the biggest room.
The plan says white walls.
Yes, simple and clean.
Do we have enough paint?
Yes, there are 2 big cans.
Great. Pass me a roller, please.
Here you go.
Thanks. This wall is easy to paint.
Yes, it looks good already.
Be careful near the window.
Yes, I will use a small brush there.
Good idea.
The color looks nice.
Yes, the room is very bright now.
The client will like it.
After this, we paint the kitchen.
Okay, but the kitchen is smaller.
That's good. We finish faster.
Yes, maybe today.
Do we need more paint?
I don't think so.
Okay. This wall is almost done.
Great, we are doing good work.
Let's continue.
Let's go.